Since the 19th century, the computer has been greatly evolving. People have preferred to touch pads and touch screens rather than mice, but the keyboard is the only thing that has remained intact since then. So here are the 22 cool keyboard combinations that you probably have to know. So combination number 22 is the WinKey. So when you click on the WinKey, it gives you a bunch of options, gives you the apps that you want to click, probably want to open. Combination number 21 is the WinKey plus A. So this one opens the action center where you can access all your notifications just in one click. Combination number 20 is the WinKey plus B. So this just hovers around the past icon in the notification area, and then you can just move from one to another using the arrow key. Combination number 90 is the WinKey plus D. So this one will take you directly to the desktop. So whenever you are working on anything and you need to go to the desktop, so you just go directly to WinKey plus D. Combination number 18 is the WinKey plus E. So this one opens the Windows Explorer. There you go. Combination number 17, WinKey plus F. This opens the feedback hub in Windows 10, and in Windows 7 it opens the find files and folder. Combination number 16 is WinKey plus Control plus F. So this opens the find computer dialog. So whenever you want to find a computer, you want to connect to any computer, just click the WinKey plus Control plus F, and there you are. Combination number 15 is the WinKey plus K. K for connect, right? So it gives you an option of connecting to computers. Probably you want to connect to any computer, so you just click on WinKey plus K and it will give you that option. Combination number 14 is WinKey plus L. So this one locks your device. Probably you want to change to another user, just click WinKey plus L for love, and it will lock the device. M for minimize goes to combination number 13, that is WinKey plus M. So this one minimizes everything. It minimizes everything in just one click. And then combination number 12 is when you want to restore everything that has been minimized. Just click WinKey plus Shift plus M, and it will minimize and it will restore the minimized apps. Combination number 11 is WinKey plus P. So this one opens the project. Probably you want to use another we want to use a projector or want to use another display. Just click on WinKey plus P. Combination number 10 is the WinKey plus Q. So this one opens the Cortana. Cortana gives you an option of just talking to your computer just directly, and you can have access to a lot of options. Combination number 9 is the WinKey plus R. R for run. So this one opens the run dialog. So you probably have to just click on that WinKey plus R and it will give you that option. Combination number 8 is the WinKey plus T. So this one, it switches the apps that are open in your computer. So when you press the WinKey plus T, it will just switch. You look at that, it switches from one app to another directly. Combination number 7 is the WinKey plus U. So this opens the narrator. So for example, when you want to change the audio, the person just talking in your computer, you just press WinKey plus U and it will take you directly to the settings and the narrator. Combination number 6 is the WinKey plus W. So this opens the Windows Ink workspace. So the Windows Ink workspace gives you an option of probably drawing your desktop and a lot of cool combination. Have you ever wondered how you can right click on your Windows button? Here goes combination number 5, WinKey plus X. So this one right clicks on your Windows in Windows 10. Combination number 4 is the Control plus Shift plus Escape. This opens the task manager where you can greatly assess and view the processes of your apps. You can see how the memory runs. So that's combination number 4. Combination number 3 is the Alt and Tab. So the Alt and Tab switches the apps that you're working on directly. So when you want to switch the apps you're working on, just click on Alt and Tab. Combination number 2 is the Control plus Windows key plus space bar. So this will switch the keyboards that are already installed in your computer. So if you have two keyboard layouts in your computer and you want to switch from one keyboard to another, just press Control plus Win key plus space bar. And finally, in the combination number 1 is the Alt plus F4. This has always been my best because Alt F4 closes anything that is open, any open window, it closes it directly. And if you want to shut down your computer directly from the desktop, just press Alt plus F4 and it will give you an option, several options of shutting down your computer. And there you are, the 22 cool keyboard combinations. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe until we meet in the next episode. Goodbye.